Hello and welcome to my channel, My Garden, My Passion. I bring to you yet another weedy plant of Dharwad, and I am sitting amongst this Antigonon leptopus as well as this Centrosema creeper. So this is yet another beautiful creeper that grows wild here, and I will show you the detail of these flowers and how interesting the flower is as well as how useful the plant is. So here's a close-up of the Centrosema flowers. The Centrosema flowers and the Clitoria ternata are two flowers. That is the blue pea flower, and this is called as the butterfly pea flower. So these two flowers are unique in the sense that they are like inverted flowers. This petal, which is supposed to be on top, is down, and here it becomes a landing space for the bees and butterflies for pollination. The pollination part is inside. So here, I don't know if I can show it to you clearly. So here the flowers need to be pollinated. The insects and bees land on this petal, and so this is unique about this one. I will also show the blue pea flower, but this is the Centrosema. Another name for the Centrosema virginianum is the Clitoria virginianum. So you will notice that the flowers resemble the female genital organs, and that is why that word Clitoria is given to the name of the genus. The flowers are either solitary or in bunches. Plant is a climber which will climb up by this by these tendrils holding on to other plants. So it is not so suited for the plain walls, but it will grow well on other hedge plants and make them look attractive with these purple color flowers. Here you can see the spurred pea flower on the gate. So like I told you, it holds on to something with the tendrils. You can see the tendril. So you can decorate your plants, your garden with these beautiful and interesting shaped flowers. The flowers can make ornamental flowers, but other than that, this plant has special significance for the farmer or for the environment. So if a farmer grows this plant on his bunds and hedges, he can incorporate it into the soil as green manure, and it is also a nitrogen fixing plant, and so can make the soil more fertile. And moreover, it has a wide root system which can stabilize the soils and prevent erosion. So that way, from the environment point, it is good for the farmer. The plant can also be used as animal feed. I will show you some of the pods which are there. At this particular point, they are not there. So the pods will form, and they are like pea pods. Here it is yet to mature. So the pods are formed. Though it is not considered safe for human consumption, they can be fed to the animals. So it can become a very useful plant if it is grown by the farmer on his bunds, or for that matter, even in your garden you can have it. But you can grow it on other hedges, or you can have it as an individual plant in a pot to contain its growth. You can clearly see the seed pods, and these seed pods will mature and burst open, and that's how the seed dispersal takes place, and this plant is spreading all over with those seeds, and those seeds germinate during a rainy season and give out these beautiful flowers. It's now the month of November and they are still flowering. Here's another scene of how these flowers are blooming. It's growing all along the fence of a farm in the Agriculture University. So you can see it goes on like this over some distance. Back to this place where there are lots of flowers. The Centrosema plants have climbed over this Duranta goldie. They are contrasting with their dark green leaves against the golden background of the Duranta, and here are these purple pretty flowers. So you can see quite some distance they are growing like this. Here it has formed a different structure like an umbrella. See, it looks so pretty. It gives a wild look to your hedge too. Instead of having a neat proper hedge, you can have this type of hedge and grow these flowers on your hedge plants. Look forward to more videos on my channel, and if you have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe and share it with others too. Thank you and happy gardening.